It's gonna sound funny because it's slowed down and you just have to be ready to go on that first beat. Are you ready? Right arm circles. 1, 2, pull, 3, 4, then left, right contract. 7 to the front. 1, 2, we turn. 3, 4, we run. 5, 6, we jump. 7, we repeat. 1, 2, pull down. Left arm, right arm, contract to the front. Now we turn. 3, 4, 5, arms up on 7. Yeah. Excellent job. Let's go up the tempo. Here we go. You got to be ready for it. I believe in you. Right arm circles. We go. 1, 2, down 3, 4, look, 6, 7 to the front. 1, 2, turn 3, 4, run. We jump. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Then we push. Contract to the front. Turn. Arms go up. Yeah, fantastic job. Let's try without cueing.